Hello, friends. So, Ms. Blanks wanted to just go ahead and give you an example of what you're going to be doing when you're graphing objects. Okay. So, one thing that I want you to remember when you're graphing from your iPad, all I want you to do is just tap it real fast one time and then drag. Okay. Because if you hold on to it, it's going to make it bigger. Okay. So, you're going to tap and drag. Tap one time and drag. Okay. Tap with your finger real fast and drag. Okay. Now I'm just going to go ahead and speed it up just so you can see how to record your data here in the boxes. Okay. All right. Now I have graphed all of my data. Now I'm going to record my information. Okay. So I'm going to start with the dogs. This says favorite pet and this says how many. Okay. Now, I have numbers over here. So what I'm going to be doing is the same thing I did with my pictures. I'm going to tap and drag. But first, let me count how many dogs I have. Okay. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So under how many, there are 4 dogs. So I'm going to tap the number 4 and drag. Okay. Now I'm going to go to my cats. 1, 2. I'm going to tap the number 2. Under how many? Next to my cat, I'm going to put 2 because there are 2 cats on my graph. And then last but not least, the fish. 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm going to tap, excuse me, and drag. Okay, that's how you're going to do your assignment. All right, so make sure you do your best. Okay,